Hey guys, I didn't get too many people at the Zoom meeting today, but I really thought it was important to talk a little bit about the final project. So I'm recording a video so you can watch it later. The final project, which is a group project with the groups that you already have, is going to be due on the last day of class, which is May 19th. And it will consist of you creating a video, YouTube video, description of the solution for the problem, as well as how it works and how you decided to come up with that solution. You can go through, first we tried this, it didn't work, then we tried this, it didn't work, and now we tried this, or this looked like another problem I'd seen in the chapter. So I really want to know how you captured that solution and decided that that was the best solution for the problem. Creating the video can be done any way you want to as a group. Hopefully your group works together. Maybe if you have a conversation, maybe you could have a Zoom meeting and record that in discussing it. You could just have one person record the video if everyone approves of it. You could have just a couple people, not everybody, or one person do one part, one person do another. I will leave that entirely up to you. But this is in lieu of, if we were face to face, I would ask you to do a presentation. So I'm asking you to do a video. However you want to put together the video is great by me. Please make sure you include credits on your videos so I know who helped work on it. Because if I just have one person talking, I want to make sure that the other 3 people listed in the group also should get credit for it. So just make sure that you do that for me, please. Now, the problem itself comes from ICPC, which is International Collegiate Programming Competition. Yes. Or something. So I know it comes up not secure, but I'm not sure why. I think it's because they moved their hosting to another site, but I did give you both links. This should be where their new site is, but you have to sign up and have a password, and it has a bunch of other stuff. It's a little harder to use. So if you get through on this one, you'll see that you just go to browse problems, and it has lists of problems, and you could choose. It only goes for 2017, so I'm not sure. They must have moved everything everywhere. But anyway, on any of these, you can see it's all around the world. And you don't have to even just go through only North America, but you pick anyone you want. And when you open it up, this competition happens once a year. I used to take computer science students there pre-COVID, and they didn't have it last year. This year they had it, but it was kind of unorganized and they were doing it virtually, and I didn't feel like joining it. Maybe next year. But what happens is you get taken into a room with no internet, and you can't have your phones or anything to give you additional information, and you have to solve these problems, and the team that solves the most problems wins within this time frame. And a lot of very high level computer science programs like Caltech and USC attended this competition. So, some of these problems are very hard, but they're solvable is the point. And these percentages over here shows that based on the total number of users that tried, this is the total number of users that solved. And so you can see that not 100% of the people are able to solve those problems. Browse through this list, find something that you think would be, go to the online judge, find something that you think would be, doable, because you want something. It doesn't have to be, I don't know this one, Beijing, it's not coming up. It doesn't have to be hard. I just want you to be able to thoroughly think it through in the creation of your solution. So however you get the problem and wherever it comes from, pull that up and just make a decision. I don't know what happened there. None. And that's what you'll do. And you'll submit to me a video that your group will create with all I'm asking is that it's no longer than 10 minutes, because I don't want them to be extremely long. And also that you have a credits screen on your video, so I make sure that every person who's named on that video will get credit and not people that aren't named on that. So I hope that's helpful. That's just a quick little explanation of what you can expect on the final project, and I'll be happy to answer any further questions that you have. Please let me know. If you have trouble getting to the archive or the problems, I can, get them for you, send you a few, but that way you don't get much of a choice, because I'm not going to sit here and go through thousands with you, but I'll pick one or two and go, why don't you try this? And so anyway, I'll help you do that if you need that. So let me know. And that's how we'll do it. I hope that helps. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.